By this point, I hope you are getting used to writing functions that use JavaScript Fetch methodology. As we interact with the National Weather Service API, you'll hopefully recall that there is a stepwise process that must be followed. First, we send the longitude and latitude of the location. Second, the API returns metadata, including the location name and URLs to obtain further information. We use one of the URLs to request a list of weather stations for the area. The first station in the list is closest to the coordinates. Fourth, we request data from the closest weather station and current condition information for the location is returned. Then, we can continue to request other data, using the other URLs that were originally supplied to obtain more weather information, but for the area in general, not for one particular weather station. This video overviews the function to request the list of weather stations, so the weather data from a particular weather station can be requested. The beginning section of the function should look familiar with the passing of parameters, the check of the response, and the collection and displaying of the returned JSON data in the console log. You'll notice that once the data is obtained, the function begins the process of extracting key information and storing that data into session storage for use later. Finally, we have a call to the next function to get specific weather information from the weather station. This function will be written in the next activity, so it is commented out for the moment. Once the data is stored, we can then inspect the console log for the returned object and session storage to see the data that has been collected from this and the previous functions that have already been run. We are slowly, but surely, gathering all of the data needed to build a comprehensive look at the weather for the location, all based on the latitude and longitude of the location.